The Good Design Award Best in Class for Product Design, Domestic Appliances goes to the Presto Salon Hairbrush Cleaner, designed by Outerspace Design and Comfortel, and commissioned by Comfortel Furniture.
As a jury, we looked for projects that had exceeded the design brief, that deeply understood the problem they were looking to solve, and did this in an innovative and exciting way. We selected the Presto Salon Hairbrush Cleaner as best in class, as it ticked every box for design excellence. On behalf of the jury, I'd like to congratulate the whole team behind this project. You deserve to be recognised at the highest level in these awards, so really well done.
We are so thrilled to have received the Best in Class award for our Presto brush cleaner. We couldn't have done it without our partners Outerspace Design, who helped us and guided us along the way to develop an idea that we had for the salon industry. We at Comfortel have been designing salon furniture for 20 years, so when it came to developing a device to help salons clean their hairbrushes, Outerspace took us on a design journey creating the appliance. We knew we had something special when we took our prototype at the early stages of development to a leading salon in Melbourne. Within 1 minute of showing the award-winning hairdresser, all the other hairdressers started coming up with their brushes going, "I want to clean it, I want to clean it." It was amazing how quick and easy they were doing it and how they grasped the concept so quickly. We would also like to thank the salons and hairdressers who helped us along the way and identifying what actually needed to be done to clean a simple hairbrush and make the task easier for them in between clients. We love to see all the videos the salons are sharing now using the Presto brush cleaner. It means we made something special.
What was great about Presto is that we actually got on site. Thanks to Comfortel and their industry contacts, we had a great opportunity to observe the salon environment, talk to the workers and gain some real insights. We hope that salons will see the speed and hygiene benefits of a product like Presto. We think it's an obvious accessory for most salons and will help them thrive in a post-lockdown world. For us, it really shows the value in human-centered design process, the identification of a real problem statement and the creation of a product that clearly addresses that need.
Comfortel as a brand realises the importance of the design process to a business, especially the research phase. Instinct is always great from being in the business, but learning from your customers is key to elevate the product. We really enjoyed this part of the design process and the insights it uncovers.